Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do scrolling text reveal in Wix Studio. So let's get started. So if you want to create something like this, then this tutorial is for you. So what you're going to do is you have to open your Wix Studio. Let me emphasize this, Wix Studio. And then you have to, if you don't have an account, then create an account. So this is what it looks like. Now what you're going to do here is we're going to change the px or the height of this section. So I'm going to choose and I'm going to add here 900 px. Okay, and then tap enter. So this is what it looks like. Okay, and then what you're going to do is I'm going to add another one. You can copy and paste this, or you can add another section and do the same thing. Just go to px and then change this to 900. So let me delete this one. Okay, let me copy and paste the section. If you cannot copy and paste, you can just simply click Add Section, click this one, click the Open Inspector, and then go to PX, change this to 900. So they should have the same PX right here. Now for the first one, we're going to add a color here, and then go to Plus Elements, Add Container. Now open the inspector. You have to click container and then open inspector. Click this three dots, toggle this one on, go to read, change this to 80%, press enter, and then you have to move it to the top. Okay, or place it something like this. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's like a white container. Let me adjust the size here. Now click the container again, and then this time you have to look for layout, click add, and then you have to add rows here. So for example, 2, and then go to layout again, and then select 1 by 2. Okay, so let me click 1 by 2 right here. You have to make sure that it's like in between or they're cut into 2. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now add text, click heading. And then here, what you're going to do is you're going to add, for example, subscribe to, okay, and then place it above right here. And then you can copy and paste this one. Okay. And then for the second one is you can add, for example, to our channel, something like that. So let me do it again. Okay, so here, subscribe to, copy, and then paste, put it below. Okay, and then I'm going to add here to our channel or our channel. Okay, so subscribe to our channel. Okay, so never mind the other two. I think it's redundant. I can't change that. So let's just say subscribe to and then our channel, something like that. Okay, so what you're going to do here is you have to pick the first one and then you have to go to font size and then change this to 120. Also tap this our channel right here and then go to font size, change this to 120. So make sure it's PX and then put it in the center. Now, once done, you can now change the font style if you want, okay, font color if you want. Now let's go to adjust. Here you can set this to 20% the opacity for the first one, and for the second one also same thing. Change this to 20% opacity. Now after that, what you're going to do is go to color. You have to change the color of subscribe to and our channel. Change this to white. Okay, so make sure that you have tapped the text and then change this into white. Okay, click the white color right here. So let me do it again. Double tap. Make sure that you have tapped the text. Go to color. Change this to white. And then our channel, change this to white. So the result should be like this. Okay, so you cannot see anything because you have changed the text into white. Now the next thing you should do here is you have to click the container. Now go to background and then decrease or make this 0. Okay, this should be the result. Now the next thing to do is you have to simply copy the text. First, copy subscribe to and then paste. And then make sure that you have added it like same, same position, same everything. Copy, paste to our channel, and then move it directly same with this one. So subscribe to our channel. So you have to move it right here. So it's like double word here, subscribe to, and then double our channel. So what you're going to do next is you have to change the opacity to 100. I mean the second word that you have added. So you have to tap that one and then change the opacity to 100. So the result should be like this. Next thing to do is go to rows, and then you have to select this one and then change this to minimum content. So let me click this BX or this one right here and then change to minimum content. Same thing with our channel. Okay, second row, minimum content. Okay, so the first and second row should be minimum content. Now go to padding, and then for the top, you have to change this to 6px, and for the bottom, 6px. Okay, so the result should be like this. If you see something like this, you have to move it again. Okay, so it should be like this result. Now click this section, and then we're going to change this from 900 to 445 or 400px. Okay, so the result should be like this. And then the next thing to do here, since we have this word already, is we're going to tap this in the two rows, go to design, and then go to scroll, add. Now you have to look for reveal, but actually everything is up to you. For this tutorial, let's click or choose reveal effect. And then you have to change here direction. Let's just say from right, and then move this one animation area. You just have to play the setting here because I can't say that this one is the good effect or something like that, but the result should be like this. Okay, so that's how you basically add a reveal or do a scrolling text reveal in Wix Studio. So if you don't like the result, then you can go back again to effect and then change anything there, animation. You can change the direction. You can change everything. So as long as you don't get the right or you think the result that you want, you can just basically change everything under the animation and effect. But basically, that's how easy it is to do a scrolling text reveal in Wix Studio. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like it because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.